Okay, good morning, brothers and sisters. Kim Samples out here finally after many months. I've got the fence just about completed. I've still got to paint a little around the squares in all the panels here. If you look down this way, you see I've got it all completed, and got to paint the squares down through there. And here's the front gate that we're starting the heavy-duty gate right here. And then we're going to go around on the other side and look at all the back side now. Okay, now we're on the alley side of the fence. I've got a string here to measure got to put the black around each one of these squares. So I'm still working on that, but everything's pretty much painted. Got a little touch up to come back and touch up some spots that I've got little bits of paint that need to be retouched up. So a little dab here and there, a little mess up here. Of course, the birds decide they want the rain will wash that off. But anyway, the fence has been up pretty much about 4 or 5 months now, so it's looking good. Coming around to the back side, this is still in the alley. And of course, the colors I picked to paint the fence are my preferences. And if you were to build a fence like this, you could pick any colors you want. So anyway, and if you ever want to build a fence like this, you can always contact me and I can give you some extra pointers so that you don't have to do all the mistakes that I did, which is quite a few. So anyway, we're going to walk around to the back. Coming over to the back gate. This is the gate for the driveway. And I'm going to open the gate. Right now it's manual. I've got to get an electric motor to put on here. So anyway, we're coming in the back. And this is the inside of the fence from the inside view. And we finished up the back side of the house. Got the patio complete. The railing. We don't have the cover on the patio yet, but we've got all the siding on the back of the house. We've got all our outbuildings painted to kind of match the theme of the fence. We planted our grass out here, which was originally just a big old piece of dirt out here. We've still got to put a patio cover or cover over our vehicle cover. Then we're going to come down through here and we're going to go back to where we started. I forgot to show you this. This is since my wife likes to hang out clothes every once in a while, I made a clothesline right here on the inside of the fence. So it's kind of it's a mini clothesline to hang up wet towels or stuff that she has. Anyway, it turns out pretty nice. And we finally wind up back to where we started. And of course I put these Cocker Spaniels up here So that completes the video. And so thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Keep walking with Jesus. Have a blessed day.